Today we are working on behalf of Patriots Point on the USS Yorktown, and they had a need to remove some tint that was put on the windows back in the 80s.
The space we're redoing is the pry fly on board the Yorktown. Due to the height, Patriots Point hired Ambassador Cleaning to clean the exterior of the windows and the pry fly.
I'm the owner of Ambassador Window Cleaning. We do a wide range of window cleaning, pressure washing, gutter cleaning, roof cleaning, residential, commercial. We do some of the largest buildings in town and some of the smallest buildings in town. Today we are in the pry fly room. Patriots Point has asked us to get this ready for a new installation so that they can use it for special tours. These windows have a large amount of paint and silicone on them, so we will be scraping, removing some pretty old window tint.
Windows had years and years of paint that had to be manually scraped off. It's all being redone and back to how she should look like.
So once we're finished removing the tint on the inside, we'll be moving to the outside where we will be rigging up. On the top side, we're about 80 foot off the flight deck. Because of the precarious situation that we're in, we have a full body harness, and this will allow us to get down to where we need to be to clean the top side of these windows safely. So we are really removing about 30 to 40 years of buildup on these windows, and then we clean the surface thoroughly, washing the windows a couple of times to get all the debris off. So by the time we remove all this silicone and paint and debris, they're going to look brand new again, and they'll be looking good for quite some time.
In the near future, the pry fly will be complete and renovated, so ask about it next time you're at Patriots Point.